Quick overview and introduce highlight features of Nilight 90106B 2-gang panel toggle 5-pin on-off pre-wired rocker switch aluminum holder. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. 2-gang rocker switch aluminum panel with design stickers. Can customize these switches as your demands to remind you while using. With pre-wired wiring harness for you to easily install in both 12-volt and 24-volt vehicle, yacht, ship, caravan, truck, and others. Safe and durable, built with fuses, easy replace and can protect the panel from overheating, overcurrent, overcharging and short circuit. Quality assurance, matte of strengthened aluminum panel and well-conductive pins, ensure long-lasting durability, highly optimized for general use and will give you a pleasant experience. The switch built in 2 premium LEDs emits soft light to illuminate the patterns, easy for you to find the switch in the dark. If you're new here, don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.